Selling your home? First impressions are everything. When potential buyers walk through your door, you want them to imagine themselves living there. One of the best ways to make that happen is by decluttering and depersonalizing your space. Let's dive into the top 5 things you should remove from your home before showings. Personal photos and keepsakes. While family photos make a house a home for you, they can distract buyers from envisioning their own family in the space. Store them away for the time being and opt for more neutral artwork or decor. Clutter. From piles of mail to shoes near the doorway, clutter can make your home appear smaller and less organized. Clear countertops, organize closets, and store away any non-essential items to showcase the full potential of your space. Pet accessories. Not everyone is a pet lover. Bowls, toys, and litter boxes can be turn-offs for potential buyers. Before a showing, ensure these items are tucked away and that any pet odors are neutralized. Political or religious items. You want your home to appeal to a wide range of buyers. To avoid potentially alienating someone, it's a good idea to store away overtly religious artifacts or politically themed items during showings. Overpowering scents. While you might love that lavender air freshener, strong scents can be off-putting or even trigger allergies for some potential buyers. Opt for a fresh, clean scent or no scent at all. Opening windows to let in fresh air can be a great way to neutralize odors without adding a new one. Remember, the goal is to make your home as welcoming and versatile as possible, allowing potential buyers to picture themselves living there. By removing these items, you're not just depersonalizing the space but setting the stage for a successful sale.